Y'all, I was nestled comfortably in my warm bed when I got a phone call from my son. He's talking about, we got rats. I'm like, what? What rats? He's downstairs in the laundry room. We got a shared laundry room in our apartment. And he be going down there sometimes just to do his little workout so it won't be too loud in the apartment. Take a close listen, y'all. What y'all think? Now, mind you, it was a rainy night. Does anybody know what kind of pipe these are? Is he tweaking, y'all? Because he got me tweaking now, too. Oh, shit.